Ever wondered how developers ensure their code doesn't crash under impossible conditions? It's not just about writing correct logic, it's about rigorously testing every edge case, from invalid inputs to rare system failures. But here's the surprise. Even the most advanced AI models struggle to match human expertise in this critical task. Today, we're exploring TestCase-Eval, a revolutionary benchmark that's redefining how we assess AI's ability to write robust tests. Let's unpack what this means, why it matters, and what it reveals about the current state of language models. So what exactly is a test case? Think of it as a program's safety net. When you write code, you need to anticipate scenarios that could break it, like a calculator accepting negative numbers when it's supposed to handle only positives. Humans spend hours crafting these tests, but what if AI could do it? That's where TestCase-Eval steps in. Researchers built this benchmark by curating 500 algorithmic challenges from Codeforces, a premier coding competition platform. For each problem, they collected 100,000 real-world solutions, some correct, some riddled with bugs. Why? Because testing isn't just about finding errors, it's about predicting them. The study introduces two critical metrics. First, fault coverage. This measures whether an AI can generate test cases that expose all potential failure points in a program. Imagine navigating a maze with hidden traps. Fault coverage ensures every corridor is checked. Then there's fault exposure, a more nuanced challenge. Here, the AI is given a specific buggy code snippet and must craft a test case that triggers the exact flaw. It's like handing a detective a suspect's alibi and asking them to spot the contradiction. The team evaluated 19 leading AI models, including Qwen3-32B and GPT-4. They tested two approaches, one where the AI simply provided answers, and another where it had to explain its reasoning step by step, like a programmer debugging their own code. Why does this matter? When humans debug, we often catch errors by verbalizing our thought process. The same applies to AI. In experiments, models that think aloud produced significantly fewer errors. It's like giving AI a built-in quality check, revealing flaws in its logic that would otherwise go unnoticed. Fault coverage is measured by comparing the AI's test cases to a gold standard set of known bugs. For example, if a solution fails when given a null input, the AI must generate a test that explicitly checks for nulls. Fault exposure, meanwhile, requires the model to reverse engineer a specific bug, like identifying a division by zero error in a given code snippet. The implications are huge. By forcing AI to articulate its reasoning, researchers aren't just improving accuracy, they're building trust. In high-stakes fields like healthcare or aerospace, where errors can be catastrophic, this transparency could be a game changer. TestCase-Eval isn't just a test, it's a blueprint for making AI more reliable. As we push the boundaries of machine intelligence, benchmarks like this will be crucial in ensuring we're not just building smarter tools, but safer ones. So next time you encounter a bug, remember, even AI needs a little guidance to think through the problem. And for developers, this study is a wake-up call. Testing isn't just about code. It's about preparing for the unexpected.